nails done because, oh my gosh, they are so grown out. I will put right here what I'm getting. So cute and summery. I just didn't want it to outshine the nails that I want for the beach trip. So these are the nails I'm going for.
These are your natural nails.
Yeah. They're so bad. She's nervous because we have a double date tonight. It's a blind date for her.
It's a blind date. I don't know what this man looks like. And also,
she's nervy. Can you even see me?
No. Okay, there you go.
She's nervy.
I feel like my lashes
dirty
on
room.
this side are just like falling, and these look weird. My eyes like are like.
Guys are not gonna notice that.
I notice, okay.
Show them my nails. They're Aura nails. Oh, duh. She did them. Hi, Tori. We got summer nails. Look at her nails. They're so pretty. And then look at mine. They're so pretty. She's so good at swimming. I'm really bad at swimming, but she's really good. Wait, you have Aura nails too?
Yeah.
This one's Aura. Well, I mean, they're like, wow, that's the shade. That's the shade. Happy Monday, everyone. If y'all couldn't tell, I have my camera fixed. In case some of y'all didn't know, I don't think I explained it in the last video, but my camera, she was like no more at, like, I thought she was gonna be no more, but she's all fixed now. We fixed her. Thank God for my brother, because he helped me fix her. I just ordered some screws online and he helped me because I was stressing. I had been filming on my phone, and guys, quality was just not quality. Okay, is that the right term? Whatever. Okay, but yeah, so I'm home. I'm laying down. I'm just trying to rest. The sun killed us today. UV was so high today. It was at 11, so it was extreme. It was kind of bad. I've just been here. We went to Chipotle. We went to Chipotle. Why is that so hard to say? We went to Chipotle after we went swimming. That was really fun. Yeah. Now I'm super tired. It is officially June, and I'm just so excited for summer to start. And guys, y'all don't understand. I'm just so happy to have my camera back again. Well, okay. I am gonna go to sleep. My hair is a mess. Actually, I cannot go to sleep yet. I have to go take a shower. My hair is a mess. I have to shower and then go to sleep because I am just so tired. And I will see y'all tomorrow. She's such a bad influence. I bought them, y'all. They're so beautiful. If y'all don't know, on my Instagram I took a boat and I really wanted these, and I decided I was gonna do these. They're so beautiful. We got our fave. You'll never guess what it is. We always come here like after a day of shopping.
And it's always the same.
Literally.
Always
the same. Like, literally we devour it in, what is it? Like, 5 minutes.
Yeah. Literally. It's so good. I'm gonna try to slow down and enjoy it.
Happy Tuesday. Happy Wednesday. Guys, I always do that. Happy Wednesday, everyone. I just got home. Guys, the most weirdest thing just happened. And I guess not weirdest thing. I almost tripped. I guess not like weirdest thing, but like I got a PR package, and I honestly, guys, I haven't gotten one since like 2023, 2024. It's been a hot minute since I've received PR, just because I've been so lazy about like posting on Instagram these last couple of years. It's from my favorite skincare brand, Good Molecules. I love this brand, so let's open it up together. Okay. So, Good Molecules, got my scissors. Yeah, when I saw it, I was like, I did not order that. Why is it here? Okay. Cute. That's so cute. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so it is their hyaluronic acid boosting essence. Okay. So it looks like it's like cherry blossom, like scented or like themed and everything. Oh yeah, look. The Japanese sakura flower cherry blossom is a source of I'm not gonna read that. Anyway, that's really cute. That's so sweet of them. Thank you, Good Molecules. Oh my gosh. Guys, I've been using their stuff for a while, but then I like took a break from it just because like I don't use a lot of skincare stuff. But then I started getting more into it because I know Annalisa uses it and she kind of like got me more into it. And I started using actually the discoloration serum recently because I've had it for a while, and Annalisa's cousin actually was telling us like, oh, like I use it like for my armpits to like lighten it up. I've been using it for the armpits mostly, and guys, it's been lightening up my armpits. Like, I'm not gonna go up and show you right now, but like it definitely has been lightening up my armpits. Genuinely want to see. Ooh, she is beautiful. She is heavy too, guys. This is a heavy bottle. Heavy bottle, very nice bottle. Can't wait to use her. That was it. I hope y'all are having a great week. I am just so tired. I need to do so much laundry, guys. I wait so long to do laundry, and then I wait so long to put it away, so then like my room just like gets a mess. So been doing that. I'm working on something right now because, as some of y'all know, like I said in my first ever video, I do social media content, and I really want to go check out this small coffee shop, maybe like 45 minutes to an hour away from here, and pitch myself to them basically. So I am working on a portfolio to do that, and I've been doing that slowly since like Monday. I was supposed to have it done by Monday so I can like show my mom and my brother like my little presentation, so they can like be like, okay, well, change this, change that, blah blah blah. But yeah, I'm working on it, so I'm gonna try and finish it tonight so I can show them by tonight or tomorrow and go on Friday. So I'm really excited, and I hope it works out because I miss making content for coffee shops. If you know, you know. Happy Thursday, everyone. So I wanted to show y'all, I worked on it all last night, and I'm still making edits just because I keep asking my brother and my mom for their opinion. I'll already have shown it by the time that y'all see this, but what do y'all think? This is like somewhat of what the presentation will look like. Okay, so we start off, I'm gonna get rid of like this introduction here. So this is what it's gonna start off like. I changed a lot of things already from this presentation now, so it looks a lot different than what it does now. It's like a note card of like all the things my brother told me to change. So these are all like the things that I ran, the posts that I did, posts here, and then flyers. So like these flyers, I love this one. This one's like my favorite. This one right here. This is the most recent one I did. And then menus, and then pricing. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm like super scared because I wanted to call them to see if they are gonna have like the manager or the owner there tomorrow, but they don't have a number to call, which I think is weird. But yeah, I'm super nervous, guys. I'm super nervous. I do hope it works out because, like I always say, it's just an opportunity to grow. So yeah, right now I'm getting ready to go swim with Josh. We did a little surprise, which not really surprise anymore just because that's my fault. We're gonna go swimming and meet up with our friends for dinner. That's gonna be fun. Right now I'm just getting ready. I just changed into my swimsuit. I really like this one. It's from Target. It's pink with like these cute little flowers on there. And I'm always wearing my necklaces from Every Jewels. Also, guys, I would love to hear feedback from y'all of like what y'all think I could change on here. Like, are y'all still liking the intro? Is it like the music good? Like all that stuff. So should I link more things in the bio? Should what, you know, just give me feedback. I'm still new at this. I've only been doing it since what, March? Since like 2 weeks before like my birthday and everything. So yeah, it hasn't been a long time. Happy Friday, everyone. So we went to the coffee shop this morning. Unfortunately, I don't think it's gonna happen. I talked to the manager there and they were like, oh, like maybe we'll get your info and we'll call you or something. Like, it just didn't seem right. It didn't seem right. I didn't even get to pitch myself. The manager was like, yeah, I'm really busy and the person that can do that isn't here right now to like hear you out and everything. So it sucks. It's okay though. It's okay. Things happen for a reason. I can always pitch myself to another place. It doesn't have to be a coffee shop. It could be anywhere. I'm gonna try and look on the positive side of it. Right now I am doing some laundry. I have to house/dog sit this weekend, so I'm gonna go pack for that after like I get my laundry done. Right now I'm gonna go check on the dogs, then come back and finish my laundry and pack my bag for that. And that's pretty much been what's going on in my life right now. Sorry, weird angle. Right now I'm cleaning my room because I always say I'm cleaning it, but guys, I clean it for what, maybe like 30 minutes and then I give up like halfway. I didn't really film much when we went yesterday when we were swimming and all that. Unfortunately, I don't like putting my camera near the water, especially what she has been going through these past couple of weeks. Anyways, let me finish my laundry and get going. Happy Saturday, everyone. Oh my gosh. Bless me. This is so weird because I do not film on Saturdays. It's really weird. But I'm trying to film more consistently so that way the vlogs are like, you know what I mean? Wow, this lighting is not it. Hold on. One of the dogs that I'm dog sitting. And then I'm also house sitting. This is the outfit. We got shirt or like top and skirt are thrifted, and these are Adidas from StockX. Anyways, yeah, I went to church this morning, guys. I woke up with like a sore-ish throat, so I'm trying not to worry about it, but it usually goes away by now. I think it's fine. I think it's just bad allergies. The other doggies. Yeah, I came to check in on them and now I'm gonna go home and go sleep. Yeah, because I'm gonna try to sleep. Guys, I'm watching Ginny and Georgia right now, the newest season. It's really good, but like, low-key, I've been crying like every other like scene. It's so sad this season. Let me know if y'all have watched that or not. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Happy Saturday, and I will see y'all later. So I have been sick. Not sick. I've had really bad allergies the past few days. I finally am kind of getting over it. I still feel it. I don't feel 100%. Nose is just a little bit stuffy, but like, guys, Saturday and Sunday were like my worst days. I just did not want to do any filming, but yeah, I just got off of work. This is my OOTD. Thrifted, Target, and I'm wearing my rain boots from Amazon. I'm gonna go shopping with my mom, grocery shopping with my mom, and then me and Annalisa are gonna go thrifting. I hope everyone is having a fantastic start to their week. Wait, guys, it's not Monday. It's Tuesday. Oops. It's Tuesday. But yeah, guys, I'm telling you, like, it was bad. I was down bad, feeling sick. I miss how crisp this camera made me look.
Crisp?
Yeah.
How can you look crisp?
HD.
Oh. Photo quality, not you.
Yes. Silent grocery haul in 3, 2, 1. Mom. Silent grocery haul in 3, 2, 1.
She ends up marrying the mayor, right?
Yes.
I remember that vaguely, but I don't remember the wedding or nothing.
You don't remember what happens at the wedding?
No.
Okay. The skirt, barely a quarter of the way done. Okay. So, do y'all see? Okay, I'm gonna point to it with an arrow, but that one, it's just a lot higher than all the other ones, so I have to seam rip it, which is so annoying because I've been doing that for a while with all the others, and I know this project is gonna take a hot minute, but I'm gonna put on my favorite YouTubers and I'm gonna watch some YouTube. So this is the annoying part. let me just show you what the annoying part is about this. I sewed it, well, let it focus. I sewed it right here. I started right there and just randomly started going right there. Like, guys, this is the part that like makes me want to give up because I have to like seam rip it and then go for it again, and then hopefully it like turns out good, like, and I'm not even a quarter way done. That's the annoying part. And it only took me 10 minutes. Okay, so I think I am done for the day. I gave it about an hour to an hour and a half, but this is my progress. I added one more row, but I'm not finished with it yet, but my mom wants me to go watch a show with her, so that's what I'm gonna do. Update on my skirt. This is what it's looking like. All this still needs to get done. I've already used half of the seashells. I think it doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna like do all around. I'm probably gonna use the other half for the other side. That is the update on my skirt. This is the try on of it. So I think it's looking good and like Hey everyone, so it is Sunday. I didn't really film much this week, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope y'all all had an amazing week. I can't believe the trip is only a week or 2 weeks away, something like that. I probably won't vlog up until then, or at least like a packing video or something, but yeah. Anyways, I hope y'all all have an amazing June, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye!